Hey guys, it's Annie. Today I'm going to do a different kind of a video. I'm doing 3 videos a week now, so I'm doing Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Once in a while, I'm just going to kind of slide in here and do something a little different in between the 3 days that I'm sharing a video. Sometimes it might be a vlog or just something, just a little something different. Today I decided that I was going to do the unpopular opinion tags. I've seen so many different channels share this. I will link some of those channels below. You're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna look at the questions here because I actually did a screenshot of it. But Jenna Marbles has done this. Recently, Kate the Great did it. I don't know how this is gonna be. I didn't think about answering the questions or anything like that. I want to be like on the fly with it and see how we do on camera. First question is, popular makeup product you don't like. I don't know, it's not really makeup. I did a review on something that a lot of people were very upset at me about. This actually happened a couple times, but the one that I have the most comments on still is the NU Face. So many people were so upset about my different opinion on the NU Face. The NU Face is a beauty gadget tool that is supposed to help tighten and firm your face muscles so your face appears more lifted. When I tested that out, I did not like it. I did not notice any tightening or anything in my face at all. And some people said you have to use it for a while, but that's not what I've heard from everybody. I've heard people tell me you should see results right away. I saw nothing at all. I had some weird side effects. I had my heart racing. I tasted a metallic taste in my mouth. It was triggering me to have migraines. I did not like it. It didn't work out for me. And that was just my personal experience. But some people get really offended when you don't like something that they really like. I mean, just because it doesn't work out for me, and I always say this, doesn't mean it's a bad product. It just didn't work out for me. I know a lot of people that love that. It just didn't work out for me. And so I'm not gonna go on camera and say I like something if I don't. I'm not gonna lie about it. And I paid for that myself. I guess there's some fake ones going around. No, this wasn't a fake one. This was the real deal. And recently, I had somebody leave me a comment, and it was a very good comment, actually from an esthetician, and she said that all the side effects that I have, you know, can happen with that machine. It was kind of letting me know that, and everybody else that was attacking me know, yes, those can happen. And there have been other people that have come forward and said the same thing happened to them. If you are someone that uses it and you have great results, yay for you, okay? You are really lucky. I wish I would have great results. I wish I didn't have the side effects that came with it and I had results, because I would have continued using it. Believe me, I wanted it to work. I would like to lift my face, all right? I would love that without surgery. So if you're using it and it works out for you, great. But that, so many people are still, I still get comments on that. Some people are upset, but I am never going to not share my experience with a product to make anybody happy. I don't care if, now like I said, I paid for that, but even if I didn't pay for it, it doesn't matter. I'm still gonna share my experience with it, good or bad. Popular makeup brand that everyone seems to hate, but you love. No, if there's one, I think it's the opposite. I think there's a lot of stuff that people really love and I don't love. So I would say that's the opposite for me. A lot of people like Too Faced. I like some of their stuff, but I don't go gaga over everything that they put out. I don't think all of their stuff is good. I think sometimes they come out with some good things, but I think some of it is gimmicky with their packaging, and I'm a sucker for packaging, okay? So I will fall under that, but there was a lot of people like went gaga over all the peach stuff, and I just didn't get it. Like, I did not like that peach powder that smelled like peach. Like, I didn't like that at all. The peach palette, I didn't like that at all. There's a lot of stuff that's come out of theirs, and I just didn't like it. I guess I'm the opposite. I don't like a lot of things that some other people like. I think that's what the question was, right? Let me make sure I phrase it right, because popular makeup that everyone hates, but I love. Yes, so I'm the opposite. I think I don't have anyone that I really love that other people hate. I feel like Too Faced is a company that I wouldn't say I hate it. That's a strong word. There's really no makeup brand that I hate. There really isn't. But I would say it's not my favorite brand of makeup because I don't always like everything. Urban Decay is another one. I used to like Urban Decay. So maybe that would be a better answer. A lot of people like Urban Decay and I am just not. I just don't think the quality's there, in my opinion. A lot of their shadows and stuff. I've used so many different shadows now and I'm really picky that I just don't think that, I'm just not a big fan of Urban Decay. I'm really not. I'm sorry. I used to like some of their things, but I just feel like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because now that I have a channel, I use so much more makeup and I used to like them, but now I feel like I don't really like them as much. I don't like their makeup as much. I don't know. I feel like I've gotten pickier about makeup now. Sorry for the long answer. I was trying to think about that, but yeah, I guess Urban Decay would be it. Makeup collab I didn't like or wasn't interested in. A makeup collab. I would have to say the latest one right now is with Becca, and I think it's one of the Kardashians, and I'm just not a Kardashian fan. I'm sorry if you are. I'm probably one of the few people on this planet that is not a Kardashian fan. I'm not. I do have a lipstick. It's one of my favorite lipsticks. It's by Charlotte Tilbury and it's Kim KW and I love that lipstick. Not a fan of hers, but I love the lipstick. But I'm not jumping on the Kylie bandwagon. I'm not getting any of that lip stuff. Plus it's all mattes anyways, the lip stuff, and I don't like that. And I'm just not a Kardashian fan. So anything that has to do with them, I'm not on board with. So that would be my thing, is any collab with them, I'm just not a fan of. Popular makeup step that you never do. I don't think there's a makeup step that I don't do. I pretty much do it all. There's not a makeup step that I can think of that I don't do. I prime, I powder. A lot of people don't powder. Popular influencer you don't subscribe to or watch. Okay, I don't like to, so this is just my opinion. I'm not gonna get into all the details of it, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't watch Tati. I used to watch her channel. I don't watch it anymore. I just don't support her anymore. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Popular makeup product brand that you don't use or support anymore. I really loved using Good Genes from Sunday Riley. I was a big Good Genes. If you've been following me a long time, you know I loved using Good Genes. I love that lactic acid. And I used to use some of their serums too, which I've switched up my skincare and I stopped using, but I was still using Good Genes. I stopped using it because there was some controversy and they confronted it. I don't like gossip. I like the truth. Some people think they know things about other people or whatever, and it's this person saying this, but Sunday Riley actually came forward and admitted it. So a worker that previously worked there said that they were told to put fake reviews on about products. Because of that, can't trust them now because of that. I don't know, I just have a hard time with that because I just feel like that was really distrustful, so I just can't back that up because of that. You won't hear me talk about that brand anymore on my channel, and it's a shame because I really enjoyed using that. A makeup trend that I have no interest in trying. That weird silicone makeup sponge, is that a trend? I don't know. I really didn't like that spongy, that thing was supposed to like silicone thing that looked weird to me. I don't know if that's a trend. I don't like matte lips. I know that was a trend. I can't wear matte lips. It just is not good on me. Makeup product that was better in theory than when you use it, either swatched better or worked better on others than you. I'm trying to think. Gosh, that's happened a lot of times. I mean, because there's been things that I've liked and other people don't like, or vice versa, you know. I would say, I mean, honestly, the latest Huda palette that I have, like if you swatch it, it looks really nice. I know that there's probably a lot of people that like that palette. I did not like that palette at all. The colors look really pretty. There's only 4 shadows in there that I like. That is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is a little different for me. No shade onto anything that I said, no shade onto anybody that anything that I talked about. We're all adults. If you want me to be honest about something, then I'm going to be honest, and you know that. So if you know that, I'm like tell it like it is person. I'm not rude about it, but if somebody asks me, the question was asked and I answered the question. I'm not going to get into details on everything because I don't think there's a need for it. But just like you, there's products that you don't like that maybe other people like. There's makeup techniques that other people like that maybe you don't like. There's channels that other people really like that you don't like, and there's nothing wrong with that. I think as long as you're not harassing anybody for it or going on their channel and leaving nasty comments, because that's just stupid. If you just don't want to support someone, then you just don't support them, and that's just the end of it. You don't need to make a big deal about it. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I share new videos every single week. And you can follow me on Instagram. And that is it. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.